Hey, Missy Moos, I'm out here on the patio with Jenny. Jenny, you want to say hi to everyone? Hi. Good girl. I thought I would take her outside today on the patio to let her smell some flowers. Jenny loves flowers. Here, what do you think about these ones? You gonna smell them?
They smell pretty.
Yeah, I thought you would like them. Okay, let's go inside and see what we can do indoors for you today, okay? You want to play something?
Okay.
All right, let's pick you up and take you inside. All right, let's set you down right here. And Mommy's gonna get some Play-Doh. Do you want to play some Play-Doh today?
Okay, Jenny play playdoh.
All right, I picked this up the other day at a store, and it's just a Play-Doh kitchen creations, and you can make burgers and cookies. So we'll see what Jenny wants to do. All right, come to Mommy. We'll go play on the floor.
Okay, play playdoh.
Yeah, we'll play Play-Doh. All right, let's open this up. What color is this, Jenny?
White.
Yeah, good girl. Okay, let's take this stuff out. And what color is this?
Brown?
Yep, it's brown. And let's see what else we got in here. What color is this?
It's a pink.
Yeah, it's pretty pink. And this one?
Green.
Yeah, good girl. So what do you want to make today?
Jenny, you want a cookie? Jenny, make cookie.
Okay, let's make a cookie for you.
Ooh, pretty.
Yeah, do you want Mommy to put some icing on it?
Yeah, icing and sprinkles.
Okay, let's use the white and pink and green Play-Doh for that. All right, Jenny, it's all done. What do you think?
Pretty.
Who do you want to give this cookie to? You want to keep it or give it to someone else?
Give it to Bailey.
Oh, you want to give it to Bailey? Okay, I bet she'll like that. All right, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, Missy Moose. Do you want to say goodbye, Jenny?
Bye-bye.
Oh, good girl. I'll see you guys later. Have a good weekend. Bye.